Yeah, what's up? Good morning, Jerry. Good morning, Angel. What's good, guys? We got data in 2 minutes, so let's jump straight to the action. Straight to the action. My bread and butter, which is MNQ, is has died down so much that I don't want to trade it. So the only possible trade right here would be on YM. So I'm just gonna leave an alert right there. What's up, Paul? Good morning. So my bread and butter, it's sold off so much. So I'm just gonna wait to see if we can find something else. We are approaching a level of support on MNQ. Let me come at 19,534.25. So right around here, I would say right there. Rob, don't worry. We watched live from yesterday. We're missed by a tick and took off after you pulled out. Every time, bro. I feel it. I know, bro. Every time. So that's why if it's just flirting with my take profit, I'm just gonna fucking take it, bro. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to be like, oh my god, it's gonna hit it. It's gonna hit it. It's gonna hit it. Sure, yeah, I do act like that, but it's just like it's exciting to develop as a trader. So if it's just struggling to get there, fuck it. I'm just gonna fucking take that bitch. So supposedly data has come out right now, and there's nothing happening right here. So we have my MYM, we have my notification that just came up. Okay, so we have a potential play right here. We have MYM. It moves fast. It's a fucking pocket rocket, so I have to be ready to attack it. Um, there's nothing happening on the Nasdaq. I don't like what it's showing to me, so I'm not gonna trade it yet. So let's see right here. We're very bullish, bullish, bullish. We're just watching this play develop. Let me come right here. Let me look at my other chart right here. Everything is still looking good. I needed a break pat. So I want this next candle to break above the 200. Right now, there's still 3 minutes on this candle. We're gonna go ahead and watch it. We're gonna go ahead and watch it. So let me leave an alert on MNQ because I much preferably would rather trade MNQ than anything else because that's where I make all my money. So I'm gonna add an alert right there. Um, oh, that sucks. My thing died. So yeah, I'd rather make all my money on MNQ, but it sold off so much, and right now it's at an area of support. I'm just gonna let the play to develop. Hopefully, maybe like at the break of like the 48 or something like that, I can maybe get in, but not yet. So we're just right now on MES. I just gave up on MES. I don't trade MES no more. It's not doing anything anyways, and there's nothing to trade. We sold off so much. I rather it's too much short time momentum. We're super oversold. I rather just trade above the 48. Sure, it's counter trend, but if you do it correctly, you can do it. And M2K exploded, and of course, I'm not gonna catch that. It exploded over here, so Obviously, the Dow Jones is following the Russell, so the only trade possibly available would be YM. So we're gonna go ahead and wait for that. Let me see. We are at an area of support on YM. So let me see here. Yeah, this whole range. Uh, because I do my charting on the higher time frames. This whole range is like a an area of support right here. Of course, it's all for reference. So let me I always I do my due diligence. Obviously, look at the chopping around that price action has been doing here. And if you move that more over here, you know, close to it and over here, of course, you move it over here. I always do my own due diligence, always the night before. So clearly we're at an area of support at the price range that we're trading right now. So I always do my own due diligence. So let's go back to the 5 minute and see if we can break above that 200 because that's probably the only possible play that I would be able to take. But of course, we trade the 5 minute. If it dies from the 200 and it goes down, then that's when we'll go short side. Um, but right now, there's price is just chopping around. Look at the EMAs, they're tangled. They're all spaghetti strapped. Look at that, bro. Look at that RSI. Huge pop up, huge pop down. I'm not gonna trade that. I'd rather be very selective with my trades than just enter some bullshit. What's up, DC fan? Thank you guys for showing up. Thank you guys for showing up. Um, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm assuming that YouTube notifies you that I have that I have my live stream up. Unless you that's I guess that's if you put your notification bell. But if you're just like regular subscribed, you don't have the notification bell. I used to post my streams on Market Chat, but I got um I got told to stop doing the streams, and I'm not gonna stop doing the streams. I'm not. I do this to showcase people, normal average people that I mean you can do it with like your own hard work and grit. So I mean obviously I'm not gonna stop streaming. So I just don't post on Market Chat anymore. What's up, Cody? Good morning. Elwin, SQQQ up. Yep, that's right. SQQQ up. I want to trade. I want to trade the Nasdaq, but it's right now we've reached the area of support. I mean, look at the price just bouncing around this range. Shit is a trolley, not a stopwatch. Wait, should have really not stopwatch. Yeah, should don't ever stop. Well, it could possibly stop because right here we are at a level of support. But easily with enough momentum, it can break back down, right back down. Uh, the indicators are all red, so not too bad. But I'm not trading that. Sup, Gilmore? I'm in MES and the emotions are getting the best out of me. Let me look at MES for you, but hold on. Let me do this real quick with YM. I'm gonna put a I'm gonna add alert right there for YM. Let me take a look at MES for you, gamer. Oh, I mean stream full. Yeah. Yep. That's right. That's right. So gamer, where did you enter? Did you enter right here at the entry? Um, because if you did, you got a 1.5. And my personal opinion, I think you should be out because you've already got a 1.5 if you got at the entry. If you got in a little bit late, you can possibly try to ride it at 2 to 1. But I would just capture a base hit and be out of it because bro, we sold off so much. We've sold off so much. Right at entry, bro. If you got right at entry, bro, you got a 1.5, get out. Get out, bro. Get out. I'm telling you, get out. You don't need any more. You got a 1.5. Get out, bro. I had my limit at 1.5. Didn't get filled. Got a 101. Um, should have waited a little bit more because the 1.5 is about to hit. Should have waited a little bit more. Or if you're close to your take profit, it hit it now. But if you're close to your take profit, if you're close to that 1.5, you should have hit it. But I mean, at least you got a 101, bro. Just stack. Yeah, sure, it can keep going down, bro. But like, why risk it? We've already sold off so much. What's up, Lexi? Good morning, bro. You need to use context clues, bro. Um, we've look how much we've sold off. We've sold off like fucking crazy. We have to find the bottom eventually. And taking a short side position here, sure, you're going along with the trend, but my personal opinion is like, you enter here, you got your 1.5. You mean you should be out. Yes. Uh, when you got out, then went to your limit. What's up, Philip? Good morning, bro. Yep, yep. That's what usually happens. But I mean, if you've been watching Gamer, I just been stacking base hits and I've been green every day. Good morning, Ashley L. So okay, all right. Well, at least you got your little 101, bro. So let's go back to YM, and that shit is dying. That shit is dying. So let me. Damn, did I enter too late? I mean, am I going to enter too late on YM? I don't think so. Let me see right here. Let's gauge it to see how far we can go. Um, and move up my stop a bit. Move up my stop right there. We're a little bit far. Let's see what we can do here. I might have entered a little bit too far, but we'll see. We'll scalp the play. We'll scalp the play. I'm not looking for too much off of this, so. But my emotions were really controlling me in every respect. Yeah, bro, you need to control your emotions, bro. You need to tone it down a little bit. So, I get my bread and butter on M&Q. If I can get like 30 bucks or something here, 50 bucks, they're on there. I'll probably cover out of here. But right now momentum is to the downside. We're gonna let this shit develop. M2K about to give a new trade design too. We'll check that out. We'll see what we have here. I'm just gonna allow this to develop, let it keep going. My 1% is 50 bucks. If I can get a 50 bucks, I'll probably cover out. We're almost there. We're like at point 0.5. Just gonna let it ride. Exercise before trading. Yep, that's why I did a whole bunch of push-ups. Whole bunch of push-ups. So we're at 46 bucks, 48, 55, 58. Okay. 60 bucks, 61. Can we hit my limit? 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 67, 69, 73, 72. That's how you do it, gamer. Base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit. That's all I'm looking for. Base hit, base hit, base hit. My 1% is 50 bucks. I got 73. That's almost 2%. That's like 1.4% on the day. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You got $73 right there. And that in a matter of what? Fucking five minutes, not even. This is 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. 30 minute. They got 3 minutes on that candle. Bro, I DoorDash and to make $100. Like it's like I have to do 6 hours, and I just made it super quick, super quick. I'd ha I'd have to wake up even earlier. I usually work out after I'm done trading. Thank you, gamer. Um, I mean, I just work out sporadically through the day. Well, not sporadically through the day, sporadically through my morning. I don't have like a set time that I go like at 7 a.m. I'm gonna go work out. It's like no, I wake up, I gotta make my little eggs, my little egg burrito. I gotta make my coffee. I gotta make my coffee just right because I'm a coffee fanatic. I need to have my coffee just right. Um, and that's how I go on my day. That's 6 DoorDash orders. For real. For real. I mean, 6 good DoorDash orders for real. And I just did that shit in fucking 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So we're just stacking base hit after base hit. Right now we have our funded account at we have it at 3K now. We have my goal is 5K to get a 5K payout, take it out of the prop firm, put it in my personal account. So I just have to make it. It's July 24th. I just have to make it until next week, August 1st. Request that first payout. What's up, still broke? Damn, still broke. You're late, bro. You missed the show. You missed the show. Well, I don't know. Wait, hold on. Let me eat. You said M2K might have a trade design. Um, ah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is a little ugly. It's a little ugly. What account do you have? 50K? No, I have a 250K account. But I mean, I also have a 50K account as well. Through Apex. And right now I'm up 1200 on it. So slowly but surely, I'm stacking that one. I mean, I'm gonna request payouts for both of them. Um, so yeah, we're on our way to get that first payout. I just have to make it till uh August 1st, and we'll request that first payout. Hopefully we get it, because I mean, you know how it is with these prop firms. They're wishy-washy if you're not trading the same amount of contracts and yada yada yada, this and that. Um, I mean, you can read the rules and shit like that, but whatever. I'm just trying to get my first payout. You know, if I can't get it, well, at least I know I have that balance to request it again on August 15th. But I am going to request it on August 1st. First, I'm going to request 2,500, fund 2,500, and then just aim for another 2,500 on the 15th. Get that 5K. Bum. I got my personal account. I got it handled. And then after that, which bombs away on this one, on these prop firms, I'll probably trade the same size and just do the same thing over and over and over, and just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. You got in quick. You got in quick 300. Nice, bro. Nice. So yeah, M2K. I don't like this right here. It's the vibes are off. The vibes are off on this shit. I don't like it. I don't like it. I wouldn't trade it, to be honest with you. I wouldn't trade it. Let me go. Let me take a look at M&Q. What's M&Q doing? My bread and butter. It's not doing shit. We're just tagging around. We're ping ponging on this support area right there. So I don't expect it to move much. Sure, it can move a little bit more down, but the more conservative trade that I rather take. That's why I put a notification up here. I rather take it at the break of the 48. Obviously, there's a correct way to take trades on breaks of the 48 because you are under the 200. So you have to be very over confirmed that we're still going to keep trending above the 48. There is a specific way to do it. Probably wait for 2 to 3 candles. EMA ribbon, very thick and green. And align your indicators. Then you can probably take that play. But other than that, I don't see nothing here, and not on MES, I don't see anything there as well. I don't see nothing there. Price already ran up, ran down. I don't like it. I don't like it. And the only way you would have gotten on this play is if you would have entered at 9:30 or 9:35. Actually, you gave the market 5 minutes to do its to show its hand and go down, but that's a little bit risky. I mean, I have taken trades at 9:35, but not that much. Probably just a very few instances. So, I know a lot of people are sitting on their hands, and you should. You should. Because I mean, I would sit on my hands if I'm trading him after MNQ. I would definitely sit on my hands. Um, what did the Dow Jones have been doing? It ran down a little bit more, a little bit more. It would have hit my limit, but I mean, I'm up 1.7%, so it's all good. M2K, let's go here. Yeah, see, exactly. The vibes were off on M2K. The vibes were off. I definitely wouldn't have traded that. Look at those EMAs. They're very braided. You're just chopping around in a range. Are we? I think we're at a level of support on M2K. That's why price is reacting like that. Yes, we are. We are at a level of support on M2K. Um, it's 2253, 2253. Come over here. Bum right here, 2253. That whole area, that whole range, 2253 up to 2260. This area right here, you're at a very sensitive area. Clearly you can see, look at it, look how it's working in pre-market. You come over here, it's you're at a very sensitive area. You come over here, you're at a very sensitive area, so price action is reacting weird on this level here. That's why before you trade you have to do your own due diligence, or the night before you have to do charting to see where you're at your charts. I mean, sure, you can just look at the 5 minute and be like, oh yeah, I got a level here. I just don't personally trade like that. I love using context clues on where I'm at on the charts, where I'm at on the day. And then I use that to trade because I use all of that collective knowledge for reference. Yeah, you can keep it simple. You can keep it simple and be like, oh, I got a trade design. Let me enter at entry, but then you would have gotten stopped out right there, stopped out immediately. And then you're asking, oh, why did I get stopped out? Well, first of all, look at the EMAs. You're braided. There's not enough separation into them. Yeah, the ribbon is thick, but still, with the where we're at a chart, we're on a support level pretty much. I mean, yeah, we're under it, but this whole area, it's like a support level. So you're gonna have, areas of interest. It's stacking up collective knowledge together to paint a picture, and that's how I trade. A little bit complicated, but once you get it, you get it. It avoids you getting stopped out. I haven't gotten stopped out, bro. It's been forever that I haven't gotten stopped out. It's been forever, bro. It's been forever. I had a level marked at 55.4275 MES, and I liked how price shot through it and gave me more confidence in my entry. That's good. That's good. Um, yeah. Always remember, like like levels. They're it's a reference line. It's an area. It's not science. It's not an exact science. Like say this level right here. Oh, um, that's the area of support. No, it could be from like here to like here, and this whole area can be support. Well, the levels thing. It's ranges. That's what it is. It's a range. What's up, David? Good morning. Have you traded anything, David? So right here, M2K is reacting pretty nice. We got rejected off the 200 and the EMAs, and it's coming back down. Still wouldn't enter a trade on it though. Um, Let me see. Doesn't look too bad, actually. Doesn't look too bad. So, actually, it looks better because it's getting rejected and it's reconfirming its strength down. Doesn't look too bad. Let me at it. I'm just doing one contract. We'll see how it looks. Let me put my risk a little bit above Excel. Right there. Let's see if we can scalp it to the level. Maybe. Let's go right there. Let me see. Still a little bit downside momentum. I just have one little contract. See how it looks. It came up, got rejected, and it's coming back down. So we're just gonna let it ride. We're gonna see what happens. And we're just gonna leave my stop. We're gonna leave my take profit and just let that shit ride to see what happens. So we have RSI coming down, red, coming on down. Just let it develop. Waiting on only on MNQ. I missed the entry. Yeah, bro. I only trade MNQ. Well, I don't only trade MNQ. I love to trade MNQ. I always trade MNQ first, but there's nothing there. Um, the only thing that I'll trade off MNQ is probably the break of the 48 because I'm not shorting that shit. I'm not shorting that shit. So we'll see what happens here. Let's get let it ride. I already made 1.7% or something around there. So if I can get a little bit more, cool. And then I'll end the trading day right there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, every time I trade, my first trade is always heavier than my next trade. My first positions to make money are always heavier, and then the second trade are always lighter because I don't I'm protecting the 1% that I have. So if I can make a little bit more, cool, cool, cool beans, bro, cool beans. But so far so good. Let me see. We're still down. All right, we're gonna let it ride. We're gonna let it ride. Yeah, let's see how it acts. What if I get a loss on the first one? Do you keep it the same or still lower it? No, I keep it the same, bro. Because if I get a loss on the first one, I'm gonna keep it the same, and I'll see if I can get a little bit, if I can get a little bit more. Um, Probably if I get a loss on the first one, I'll try to get my money back, try to get a little bit more, and then most likely call it quits right there. So we're letting price action develop. That EMA ribbon's still thick. So I think this is a good time to. Hmm, would it be too much if I put my trading rules? Think so, right? You can see it. So we're gonna let the bitch ride. We'll see what happens here. If I get a little bit more, cool. But I don't like the fact that price action is stalling in one area. I just don't like it. But I do know that the way that M2K moves, you have to be very patient with it because sometimes it's a slug. It moves slow, but eventually you'll get there. Eventually. That's why you have to have enough experience with the tickers that you trade with so you know how it moves. And I know MNQ is a lot faster and MYM is a lot faster, so I make money quick. I know M2K, you just have to be very patient. This is the part of the stream. Every time I trade M2K, it's always very slow. Always very slow. Always very slow. But I allow it to develop. I allow it to develop. We're still red. We're still good. So we're still gonna keep leaving it. I am protecting my 1%. So maybe if the MACD, if this histogram starts turning a little bit pink, I'll think about just taking profit. Fuck it, get my base hit and be done with this shit. But we're still deep red on the MACD, deep red. RSI still coming down, so we're good. At this point, just gonna move my wrist down. Gonna move it down right there to Excel. I don't really care about this play. Probably choke a little bit more. I don't care about choking this play. I really don't care. I really don't care. Just allowing this shit to go. See if we can hit our limit or close to our limit. Not too bad. 15 buckaroos. That's right there. That's my whole Chipotle meal right there. MES is just a falling knife. Oh well. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Yeah, you can be like, oh shit, I could have gone into that play. You could have. You could have. So, okay, let's choke it even more. I'm just gonna choke it more. I'm just gonna choke it more. I'm gonna protect my money right there. I'm just choking that shit, protecting my money, letting the play develop. If it hits my stop loss, oh well, I don't fucking care. I made my 1%. I'm just trading free money right now. I'm good. You should be done for the day because you hit a 101 today. What if tomorrow you hit another 101? And then the next day you hit another 101. And then the next day you hit another 101. And then the next day you hit another 1-1. And then the next day you see what I'm trying to say? Like just imagine you're just hitting 101, 101, 101, 101. Eventually you're gonna grow that confidence. Okay. So this is why I tighten up my wrist because it's stalling. I don't like what the fuck it's doing. So I'm just gonna choke that shit. I don't give a fuck. If I hop in again, you're definitely gonna lose if you hop in again, bro. If you try to hop in again on MES, you are definitely gonna lose, bro. Fuck. I just stained my shirt. So yeah, right here, we're just stalling in this area. I don't think it's gonna do shit. But again, I don't care. We're gonna let that shit be. We're gonna let that shit be. It's coming on back up though. Damn, I stained my shirt. Fuck. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Let me look at M and Q. I'm gonna just leave that shit there. Look at M and Q. Still falling down. It's okay though. I'm okay with, not entering that. I'm totally fine. I'm just not comfortable with the fact that we're so overly sold. I mean, yeah, sure you can hop on the trend to the downside. Um, but I'm just not. And yep, I got stopped out. What I lose like $10 or something like that. It's all good. It's all good. Could have took the 17, could have, but it is what it is. That's why trade small. Trade small. We got the MACD histogram turn pink. And like I said, if this turn pink, oh, I'll probably tighten up my risk. The trend is still down, but I rather much protect the money that I made than allowing for a bigger stop loss. I'm just gonna fucking choke that shit. I don't care. I don't care. So, well, that concludes the trading day. That's already, bro. I'm like dude, I'm like on a 14-day winning streak or something like that, bro. I haven't lost. Like I'm developing as a trader like crazy, bro. Like crazy. I haven't lost. I haven't lost. I mean, I just lost now, but I mean, like I haven't had like a red day. I haven't had a red day. Um, I'm starting to get the hang of it after a long time of pain and suffering trading, bro. Trading is so mentally exhausting. It's so depressing. because you want to make it out so bad. And I want it really, really, really bad. I want it really, really bad. So I decided to get a job that allowed me to study trading. I still fucking study trading for hours, bro. And it's things are finally starting to look up, bro. And bro, bro, I'm so happy. I documented the whole thing. Like when I first started streaming, I first started posting videos of me trading. The fucking difference is huge, bro. So just imagine, like from now to like December, bro, I'm gonna be 10 times, 100 times better, bro. Peace out, gamer. All right, brother. All right, my peoples. That's about it. We're gonna uh we're gonna end stream right here. I made my money and I'm done. Probably gonna chill my dog, walk my dog a bit, and be out of here. Happy to be with you on your journey. Don't worry, E. You're next, E. I'm not giving up on you, bro. I'm not giving up on you. I'm doing my best to get you up to speed, bro. I'm doing my best. You will get there, bro. Trust me. You're gonna get there. Just gotta be patient. You're gonna get there. You're gonna get there. Unless if you want to cut that journey, cut that journey in half and start studying for many fucking hours and have no life, you can do that. But I mean, you can also take the slow route, and just enjoy the journey. I decided, trading is like a highway, and then you drive the highway, and then there's traffic. Me, I decided to fucking, since I'm a rebel, I decided to fucking cross the shoulder, fucking drive through the shrubs, through the dirt, through the desert, go past the fucking traffic to enter a lane that has no traffic. And that's how I can describe the fucking hours that I put in trading. I'm like, yo, fuck this shit. It's go all in. Rob, what'd you miss? Well, I think you already asked me that. You missed the YM trade. I made my own YM trade. I took a trade on M2K, but it's just shopping around. I decided to choke it because it kept stalling, and I was right. It's still stalling right here. I was up like 17 bucks. Could have took it, but I mean, huh, I don't fucking care. We're just playing one little micro. So I decided to choke it. Lost $10. It's okay. I'm up. Now I'm up like 1.2% or something like that. All good. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow again. Same time, same place. Peace out.